Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your TikTok video. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Play Store and update your TikTok application. Once you complete that, you simply need to go back and open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on Profile in the right bottom corner, and here you can find all your videos that you upload on your account. So you simply need to select any random video, and then you need to click on three dots in the right bottom corner, and here you need to scroll here in the bottom, and here you can see that the last option is delete. You click on delete, and here you can see the option of delete. You simply need to click on delete if you want to delete. So I am not going to delete this video, so I'm going to click on cancel. So this is a process by which you can delete any of your TikTok video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.